guys, and welcome back to Bukop Entertainment. So it's a new year, 2026, and the Senzo Mewa trial is going to be resuming early around this time, in 2026. And the message, that people are sending out there, to Judge Rata and hoping that he hears that is the message that there were no intruders at the Kumal house. That's what the people are saying, sending the message out there to Judge Rata to say you have to be aware of this, those so-called criminals who said to have entered the house. It's non-existent. But what is happening, is that Judge Rata is most likely, going to be blue ticking these messages. But this is what, is happening out there. And things are getting interesting because Advocate Mnisi is bringing witnesses for the defense that were ignored by the state themselves. So Advocate Mnisi is like playing guerrilla tactics, maybe like playing the game of the state in itself. He is not like trying to show that there were no intruders that entered the house, but instead he is bringing people that the state mentioned and ignored to bring to the court in itself. And those people are like disputing what the state themselves were saying. Talk about Kwabini, Absalom Zungu. So that's the tactic that Advocate Mnisi is using, which is kind of different, with the message being sent out there. But it all serves the same purpose at the end of the day anyway. I'll catch you guys on the next one.